This is Rob with Next Gen Writer. I'm going to do a quick little video talking about the dashcam operation on the Alien Writer M2 Pro. So I'm going to turn on the device. You'll see the splash logo, Alien Writer, and then it's going to boot the device. So the first thing on boot up, what it's going to do is it's going to load the TF card. You see it gives a notification, then it says loaded successfully, then it says starting to record. You'll see a record icon so you know your dash cam system is up and running. So the primary functionality of the cameras on the M2 Pro system is to serve as a dash cam. So there's no way to disable that feature where it starts up and starts recording. So what you want to do to turn cameras off is go into DVR. You're going to see your cameras here, left and right. And you can toggle them to see them individually. And then you have the record button here that's red and shows that it's in a recording state. Now you can touch that and it'll say stopping record. Now when you return home, you'll see you no longer have a recording icon and the unit is not recording. That's the way you would control recording on the Alien Writer M2 Pro.